This car is broken. The windshield on that 2015 Ford Focus is broken. There's a huge crack. So usually when we see stuff like that, we take pictures of it. There are people like that where you pick up the car, take it to the drop-off, and then you get a call later saying, hey, you broke the windshield. So usually we walk around the car, point out all the damages currently on the car, we take pictures of it, and we have the customer sign saying that those damages were already on the car before we picked it up. Just picked up a Ford Focus, and we got another call for a jump start, which is about 4 miles away from where we picked up that Ford Focus. It's a 2010 Mercedes-Benz. I'm assuming his battery is dead, so he called in for a jump start. So I'm on the way to that customer. We're gonna try to jump it and see if it's gonna start. And he did say if it doesn't start up, he's gonna need me to tow it somewhere. So we'll see how that goes. So the jump start for that Mercedes-Benz didn't work, so the car didn't start. It has power and everything, but for some reason it's not starting. So what I'm gonna have to do, it's a little bit tricky, but I have a car on the bed now. I would have to take it down because it's a front wheel drive and load this Mercedes-Benz up on the bed because it's an all-wheel drive. I'm gonna be pulling 2 cars. Alright, now for the second car. With this. Alright, so we're gonna need this light bar here. For some reason, I've had at least 3 of them and they stopped working. And thanks to Jake from Dingman's Towing, thank you buddy, peace, gave me the idea to do this with this battery. So connect it in here. For some reason the battery in this always goes bad. So we got this piece. We have a M18 Milwaukee battery, connects to this, and there we go, boom. That's good. Chain is good. Tension. Strap is good. Alright, I think we're good to go.